How to change font and font size in Google Docs. First of all, open the Google Docs app and select a document where you want to change the font or font size. Make sure the document is fully loaded before proceeding. Next, tap and hold to select the text you want to change. You can also select an entire paragraph if you want to apply the change to more content at once. Once the text is selected, tap the A icon with the horizontal lines at the top of the screen. This will open the text formatting menu. To change the font, tap on the font option and choose your preferred style from the list. Google Docs offers a variety of fonts to match different writing needs and styles. To change the font size, tap on the number option next to the font setting. Then, choose your desired size from the available options. Your selected text will now be updated with the new font and size. You can repeat these steps for any other section of your document as needed to maintain a consistent look. And that's it. Now you know how to change font and font size in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.